Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if you've been following my channel, you'll know that a few months back I was lucky enough to get to review a couple of the Pequignet watches. Now, Pequignet, probably a brand you've never heard of, and there's a reason why. They don't spend a penny on advertising or marketing, which is a little bit of a shame really, because they make, I think, one of the best movements there is, the EPM02. It is amazing. Now, I was lucky enough to get to try the Royal Manuelle and their dive watch, and the manual basically I thought was amazing. The one I got to try was a Japanese limited edition variant. Well, the other day, two came up for sale at a price brand new, at a price I couldn't resist, and it was a tough call between the blue hand model or the silver, and I thought, what the heck, I'll go for the silver. And I just think it's beautiful. I think it really is a stunning watch. As this isn't quite an unboxing, the box, you get an outer box, you get this, I say this is all brand new, I've just opened it. You get a nice travel box there, which is all quite cool, and we get a nice little cloth as well, and the warranty card. I believe the warranty, I think if I register it, will be 3 years, but I have to see about that. But let's have a look at this. Let's move this out of the way. What makes this brand special? Well, I just think you've got a brand which do their own thing. They really do their own thing, and they created their own in-house movement. Lots of companies rave on they've got an in-house movement, but when you actually look closer, you tend to find it's a clone of another movement. Lots of brands do this. They might change one or two tiny little things and call it their own movement, but this truly is their own movement. This is from the ground up, and this is the manual wind variation of this movement, and you can see some of the details there. We're talking real outstanding horology on this. This is absolutely a work of art. Simply look at the size of that barrel spring on there. It is insane. And the dial. It is just absolutely gorgeous. It really is nice. Now, will I keep it on this strap? Quite possibly not. I think I'll change the strap for something a little bit more kind of... I do like straight cut, though this appears to be possibly a straight cut strap, but no, it does taper down. I'll probably change it for something a little bit more rugged, maybe. But again, it's a brand you've never heard of, which is a shame because they are simply amazing. This movement here has got 9 international patents on it. It can do so many things like perpetual calendar, moon phase, power reserve, big day date complications, and you can have it obviously in an automatic version. This here, the manual though, is a 100 hour, has a 100 hour power reserve, which quite frankly is absolutely insane. I think it is such a, an amazing watch. But unfortunately, because I brought this, I will have to let one of my watches go. So unfortunately, it pains me, but my Breitling Colt might have to go, unfortunately, because I did promise the other half I wouldn't buy any more watches. And if you know what I mean, one in, one out. So unfortunately, this one has to go. But I think, again, this is stunning. Let's try and put it on my wrist, see if we can get it sorted out. Guessing about there. Quick wrist check. I'm wearing a Zin EZM13. Bob's wearing an old vintage Seiko. My wrist size is a 7¼ inch wrist. The actual, roughly off the top of my head, I think dimensions are 42. So I remember, 42, 49, and around about 11 or 12 mil thick. Something like that. I can't remember. I don't know whether or not to do a full review of this because I have sort of already done it. But this, I say, this is new to me, this one. This is my own watch, all brand new. So I don't know. I might do one just because I simply love this watch. And there you go. That's it on my wrist. It's not quite sitting right at the moment because this strap is all brand new. It's a little bit stiff. But God, that's a good looking watch, I think. This is a brand where I truly do believe if they were more well known, they would double in recommended retail price could double, and you're still getting an absolute bargain. I was lucky, and I know the UK sales guy for these watches. He's such a nice guy, and when he introduced me into these, I was blown away by them. I think they are just simply, they're right up there with the best. I really do think that. Even when we went down to Red Bar together, people were astounded just how simply amazing their watches were for the price. Just, well, not even just for the price, they are simply outstanding. I'll see then. I might do a full review. I'm not quite sure. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to see a full review of this one, being that it is a slightly different model to one I got to review. Okay then, guys. All the best and stay safe out there. Take care. Bye.